Runway AI versus Kling AI. Let's get started. So start with Runway. So Runway is a full-featured AI video editing and generation platform, spanning text to video, image to video, VFX audio, and more. It's built for creators with professional pipelines. Now, Kling, on the other hand, is a specialized AI video generator excelling at text to video, image to video, and granular edits, known for cinematic realism and avatar motion control. Now let's talk about their pros and cons. So for Runway, it's integrated with Suite. You have the timeline editing, green screen, VFX, and many more. It is also has a fast generation, a very fast one, and you have unlimited plaid, ideal for high volume creators. The only downside is its credit-based costs are high. They also have inconsistent output quality. Now, Kling AI, on the other hand, delivers cinematic image to video, fluid motion, and prompt adherence. They also have multi-elements editing, which remove and add elements in clips with prompts, and affordable pricing. The only downside is it has slow rendering, and the credit material support issues which has some delays, and they have limited availability feature access. So in conclusion, pick Runway if you need a complete AI production suite, and then choose Kling if you want a top-tier cinematic result from prompts or still images at a better price.